having breakfast.
Catching up with Judy.
Awkward Chivas. Just took the dogs for a walk. Now they are tired. Something that we always gotta do before leaving the house. We just gotta give them a really good walk so that they are tired, they're chill, content, and they just chill at home. How many? And then Navi over here, she just has way too much energy. And then Michi's half-half. Sometimes she needs a walk, but she is lazy, so she doesn't mind not getting a walk either. Got done with the event and we came next door to this nice little market right here. I love markets like these. One, it gives a nice vibe. Two, I love supporting local businesses, especially produce. I love seeing tomatillos, baby dwarf jalapenos, and then jujubes. We have a tree in the backyard, but not the same kind. We have the little tiny ones. These are a little bit bigger. If you guys know me, you would know by now that I love passion fruit.
Is that working? I got an Asian pear and
Pluots.
Pluots.
Where are you gonna go with more?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Well, learn this buddy system at workout.
You're not really touching the floor?
Ooh. Navi's like, what? Oh, it burns! I'm scared! You two, always together. Oh, you guys, let me show you the donuts that I got. A vegan donut spot that Sophie showed me a couple months ago, and it's so good. This one right here is a mixed berries. This one, I believe, was the mango. I thought this one was interesting. I saw on the ingredient list that there's Chinese 5-spice on it, so had to try it. You can see it's sprinkled right there, and I think these are some nuts. And then this one is passion fruit.
Does anybody want a doggy for sale?
Comment below, how much would you pay for Michi? Why is our camera doing this?
Kung Fu kicking.
Can we get a boop? Boop. Fruits I got today.
Just woke up from a nap. Also woke up to some great news. Got a parking ticket. Why are parking tickets so expensive? $58, I'm gonna be charged $58, and then after 21 days, it's $108. As if that 58 is already not expensive enough. That's just crazy. And then after 28 days, it's $111. That's like, I don't know, that's just a lot of money. I feel like we
groceries.
Yeah, like we shouldn't be charged that much for a parking violation. Pretty hungry. As usual, you've guessed it, we are making HelloFresh for lunch. Thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this vlog. Sponsorships like these that really help us creators make more content for you guys and for us. Today we'll be making the Baja Barramundi with yellow rice and salsa fresca. All natural, sustainably farm raised. Oh! Also, I just found out that HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving, which brings the price lower, and that makes it easier on your wallet so that you can skip on the grocery store runs. And also, when you sign up, there's plenty of recipes that you can get so that you can get rid of that like recipe rut, and they have like 20+ recipes, seasonal recipes, so that each week you get something different and you try something new. And when you sign up, you can easily change your delivery preferences or your food preferences, or you can even skip out a week doing all that online, and you just log in and you just do it, and it's super easy. And without further ado, we will get to cooking. Actually, before we get to cooking, I forgot that we have a code, and if this is something that you would like to try, you can get started now with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh using our code WahlieTV at hellofresh.com. And now we can get to cooking. So okay, defrost the fish. This one's invisible. Just kidding. This was the scallion whites. Oh, I love the smell of butter. Melted butter just smells good.
Beauty.
That's always the scary part, huh?
Just throw it in there and run.
This is what the picture looks like. How is it, y'all?
It's pretty accurate.
Accurate?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like it's pretty accurate too. Somebody, you guys know Michi loves seafood, especially fish. She could just smell it from like 2 miles away. She's like, what y'all cooking? We cooking barramundi, Michi. Here you go, madam.
Thank you.
How is it?
Crispy.
Crispy, huh? The skin is super fried, so extra crispy. How we like it.
It's so good. So good.
好正啊! That means it's so yummy in Cantonese. 好正啊!
I don't think I've had anything like this before.
Mmm.
Right?
Mmm. It's really good with the rice too.
Yeah.
Well, now that I made lunch, can you make dinner? Yeah? It's such a like no answer.
Oh, I didn't say yes. I said
So I made dinner. Here's some leftovers. It's so good, you guys. Next time, oh sorry, I thought you could see my underwear. We good. Next time you guys make pasta, try replacing your usual protein, whether it be beef, pork, whatever, with the Beyond Meat. Oh girl! Especially their new ground ones. So good. And we just added some mozzarella cheese, I think. And it's just basic canned marinara sauce from Sprouts. And I put onions and mushrooms. I'm actually gonna eat a piece right now. I'm gonna try the donuts. When I watch a movie, I cannot not eat. If you watch movies and not eat, you're doing it wrong. I'm gonna eat it with a fork because it'd be getting messy. It's really sour. It's so sour.
Flavors.
You don't like it? Passion fruit? I think it's too sour for me. Okay. Good morning. I am having a me day, which I'm very excited about. And I brought money with me. She's like, can we get there already? We've been sitting through so much traffic. 10 more minutes. She's in the happiest mood. So happy to be out. I am currently in Bloomingdale's with money. She's doing so good today too. She's in the calmest mood. Even when she saw other dogs, she was super chill. Today is a good day. I'm trying to find Wah a gift, an anniversary present. I don't know what to get him. He's really simple, so I feel like he has everything he needs, and he's pretty like minimalist too, so he doesn't really want anything. So I don't know, I'm kind of struggling. I'm thinking of maybe getting him like a bag, but I don't know. Okay, Mom, do you want a cookie? Okay. Oh, good girl. Yeah. High five. High five. Can I get a high five? Yay. Good girl. Now. Yeah. It is 5 p.m. and this is pretty much my first meal today. I didn't realize that it was this late already. I woke up kind of late today. I was driving and I felt like lightheaded, and that's how you know I'm hungry. So I stopped by Sweet Greens and I just got a shumami bowl, so we'll see if this is good. I thought there was gonna be more rice, but it's a whole lot of kale. It's actually pretty good. Mushroom and like tofu type of bowl. She's been so good today. I'm such a little angel today. This bowl is actually a lot better than, it tastes a lot better than I thought it would. Usually if I see a bowl of kale, I ain't excited, but the dressing is really good. Today is a really good day. I'm having so much fun just like alone. I've always enjoyed just having me time because I feel like when you're alone, no one's rushing you and you just have like all these thoughts in your own head too. So I love having these me days because it helps me kind of like find myself. I know that sounds like really dramatic, but it really does. I really love just like eating alone, walking around by myself. I mean, obviously I have money, but I just like to bring the dogs along on these days because I think they like it too. She perked up when she heard me say her name. Check out this retro keyboard. Oh my gosh, it's really satisfying. The keys feel so nice. I would love typing on this. This feels so good. She's so good. Best shopping buddy. Oh, they even have like this rose gold one. Wow, it even has a mouse. 100. Oh my god. She's like, why'd you leave me? Wow, I just got in the car, looked in the mirror, and saw how dry my skin was. I just started using Retin A again. It's a prescription topical medication that my dermatologist gave me. It works well for my acne, but whenever I give it a break and I start up on it Start up on it again, then I will start peeling. But I didn't realize I started peeling this morning. I still looked pretty hydrated. It's like an earthquake happening over here. She's so tired. She hardly ever sleeps in the car. She's always awake and alert, but my little old lady. Yeah, what a long day. I just parked in front of my house and I have to vent a little bit real quick. So I went to McDonald's. I wanted to pick up some food for Wall, and I checked in my bag and I thought that one of my items were missing. So I just like pulled over after the first pickup window, I guess. And then this guy was behind me with a lot of space. I mean, he can go around me, but I guess for some reason he wanted to go straight, which my car happens to be there. But he goes around me and I'm like, okay, cool. Then he rolls down his window as he's driving away and yells out, "Idiot!" and drives away. And it just like made me really upset with how humans think it's okay to be treating others like this. And this has happened to me multiple times in LA, and I guess that's because I live in a big city and things like this are bound to happen. But I also just don't understand. Like, I don't understand why I have to be called an idiot because I pulled over. You had plenty of space to go around. And what makes you think that that's okay? Just like yelling at someone, calling them an idiot. On top of that, don't do it while you're driving away. I hate people that are like that. I feel like if you have something to say and you want to say something, come up to my window and call me an idiot in my face. Don't drive away and yell that out knowing that I can't come after you. Not that I would have, but why are people treating people like this thinking it's okay? But anyways, that just kind of ruined my mood a little bit because I feel like people need to really learn how to treat others better. And even if I'm having a bad day, I would never take it out on someone else because maybe that person's going through something. You know, like this is just so small, but it just escalated a lot in my head because it made me think how inconsiderate people are. It's just, seriously, please, like if you have road rage or whatever it is, just really think before you act because we're all human beings here. Practice being nice. It's not that hard. It's literally free for you to be nice. Okay, that's it. Going in.
Dogs are just better than humans. Oh, you give me allergy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Humans are mean, but dogs are nice. Dogs are nice, and dogs are the best.
Michi, it's okay. She's so funny. If Navi is on me, she wouldn't come near me. It's like she has to have her own space. Okay, come here.
You want to say hi? What, did you miss me? You miss me? You're not acting like it. You don't act like it.